Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to program your new key fob. This is the original key fob and this is the one that I'm going to program today. So I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing you want to do is get your emergency key out. Press the button right here and then pull it out. This is your emergency key, the original one. And then what I'm going to do is unlock the vehicle. And then open the center armrest. And leave whatever key that you're going to program inside. So I have one of the original and one that I'm going to program. Now with this emergency key, we're going to remove the key cover on the driver's side door. Now to remove this cover, there's a hole underneath that you just have to stick the emergency key underneath and then pry it out. So here's the hole under the cover. We're going to stick our emergency key in here and then we're going to pry it. Make sure to open this door handle to remove the cover. With the key cover off, you could use your emergency key to lock or unlock it, which is unlocked right now. And then you could lock it. So right now we're gonna unlock it and then we're gonna do this 5 times to activate the programming mode. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you look at your driver user interface center, you can see that it said remote learn pending, please wait. Now you're gonna wait for about 10 minutes before the next screen is gonna show up. So once you're done waiting for 10 minutes, this message will pop up, which is saying press engine start button to learn. So I'm gonna press the start button. And then it's saying remote learn pending, please wait. So now I'm waiting for another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes has passed, so a total of 20 minutes now. So now it's telling me to press the engine start button to learn. So that's what I'm going to do, press it. And now it's saying remote learn pending, please wait. So now I'm going to wait another 10 minutes. 10 minutes has passed, so this is 30 minutes. And now it's saying press engine start button to learn. That's what I'm going to do. And it's saying ready for remote 1. So I'm going to go back into the glove compartment. And then I'm going to put the remote 1, the original one, into the transmitter slot right there, and then I'm gonna press engine start stop. Then it's saying ready for remote 2. So now I'm gonna take the remote 1 out and put the remote 2 in the slot of the transmitter, just like that. And then I'm going to press start stop. And as you can see, it's saying ready for remote 3. So if you don't see it, just open your door and it'll pop up the user interface. So if you have more than 2 remote, then you could just repeat the process. It can only program up to 8 remote. After you're done programming your remote, go ahead and take it out. And then check to make sure that it works. So you press lock and unlock. So it works on both of them. And then once you're done programming, go ahead and press the start and stop button and hold it for 12 seconds to get out of the programming mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So once you're out of the programming mode, go ahead and step on your brake pedal and then press start and stop to turn on the vehicle to make sure that it works. And as you can see, it does work. Alright, once you're done programming your remote, go ahead and remove the emergency key and put the cover back. Since I'm done programming the key fob, now I'm going to get my key cut. I just got my key cut today. This is the new one, this is the old one. Let's see if it works. And it works. Locks and unlock. And there you have it, guys. $35 to cut the key. So the reason why you want to program this car key is if you don't have a key fob, or if you only have one key fob and you want to make more. So that's why it takes 30 minutes for this procedure. But if you have 2 key fob already and you just want to add 1 more, it's going to be faster. I will be making a video on that as well. So the quote I got from the dealership was to do this job was about $400 to $500, and it takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours. And they charge 1 hour for $279 for labor itself. Now if you go to Costco, they do have their own people that have a mobile service and kiosk that stands inside, and then they have a mobile car on the outside. And they charge $299.99 to program and cut the keys. Overall, I spent $28 on the key fob on Amazon, and then $35 to have it key cut. Now if you do it this way, you program the key fob for free, and then you bring your emergency key to a locksmith to have it cut. And your price may vary. Mine was $35, so way cheaper than anywhere else. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, go ahead and leave it down below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share. And that's it for now. Till next time.